Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. Man, I know I've been going crazy with the blonde buys, but I had to get it. I went out with my girl today. We went to downtown Chicago and somehow we ended up in Macy's. I walked by, I was, ignoring all the salespeople, whatever, looking for new colognes. And then I saw the YSL section, the Yves Saint Laurent section. I turned around and out of the corner of my eye, I saw a silver bottle, so I had to pick it up right away. They were like, do you want to sample it? Do you want to spray it right now? See how nope. Nope, I don't want to try it. I want to buy the full bottle, the 3.4 ounce bottle, and review it right here on my channel. Complete blind buy. So I got my Macy's bag right here, and I got my full bottle of Ysl Myslf L'Absolu, the brand new Mysf. I don't even got the other Mysf fragrances, but I had to get this one. The lady was so shocked. I swear that was the easiest sale of her life. Usually they try to convince you to buy their overpriced colognes, and she was so confused. She gave me some samples and she gave me 2 of the same ones. And no, I don't recommend buying full retail price because it is so expensive, but they're not available anywhere else, not even online. And I did end up paying $210 plus the taxes, $230, which is absolutely wild. No smelly water should be above $200, but I had to get it to review it for you guys. So let's check it out. Here it is, man. The silver bottle, it looks beautiful. This is gonna get so dirty though, like with the fingerprints, I can already tell. But this is my first impressions. Let's see how it smells in the air. Okay, yeah, it's a smell. It's a smell for sure. It's a smell. I like it. It smells like a designer cologne, but with a little bit of sweetness and some green notes. Smells like a masculine freshie. So I do enjoy that. I do like that from it. I can't pick up any notes. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna have to look on Fragrantica to see what notes it has. But right now, I just pick up like some woody notes mixed with maybe some apple in there. I'm not sure. Let me go check on Fragrantica. But my guess is woody notes, spices, definitely some spices in there, and some sort of fruit. Obviously, forgetting the citruses, some sort of apple or pear maybe. Let me check it out. So I just did some cheating. I looked on Fragrantica and I was actually wrong. There is no apple, no pear, no like sweet fruit. The only fruit is like bergamot, which I said that doesn't count. That like every single cologne has a bergamot or a lemon or a lime, and apparently it has ginger, which I'm surprised I couldn't tell. That is one of my favorite notes in cologne. But apparently what I was smelling is some type of flower, some type of florals. I'm not even gonna pretend to know the difference between the different type of florals, but there is a lot of flowery notes in this cologne, and it just smells so good on the air. It smells so good. This is gonna be so mass appealing. You're like, expect to see this one on every top 10 list, best releases of 2025, even though it's getting a lot of hype, and obviously it's gonna get a lot of salespeople selling out to promote this shit. I'm being honest when I say this is gonna be a good one for just regular people who are into cologne, not some like not us, not some fragrance addicts who need to get every release. This is gonna be good for the casual consumer. Let me spray it on my skin, see how it performs. It smells pretty nice, man. And it's weird because when you think about florals, you don't think about a man. You think about florals being for women perfumes, but these florals, they know how to do it. I think from what I saw in Fragrantica, it is mixed with patchouli, which makes the scent smell spicy masculine with a woody smell. That's what patchouli does to a cologne. So it is mixed so well, not feminine at all, so mass appealing. This is gonna be a huge compliment getter for not only the summer. I think this is definitely going to be an all year round dump reach fragrance. In my opinion, this smells better than the Valentino, the new release, the Extravaganza, whatever that shit is. The Valentino Born in Roma Extra Dose, that one. They got some weird ass names. This one's better than Extra Dose. It's definitely better than Le Male Elixir Absolute. I'll be wearing this one a lot, testing it out and letting you guys know how it performs on me, so stay tuned for those videos. First, initial impressions, an 8 out of 10. Why so high? I usually don't rate colognes this high. It's not because of the price, you know, not because I paid $200, even though that was kind of a mistake, but because this one's gonna tick all of the boxes that we look for when it comes to colognes. Number 1, getting compliments, ticked off. Number 2, wearability. This one is so wearable, so versatile, ticked off. From what I can tell, I feel like this one's gonna be a pretty strong cologne, especially for the summer. So that one, maybe it's gonna be ticked off. And number 4, obviously it's gonna be mass appealing, which means a lot of people, like 99% of people you encounter, are gonna love the smell. Some people, believe it or not, don't actually want that from colognes, which is kind of weird. They want to smell like their weird oud, feces smell because they want to be unique. I don't want to be unique, bro. I want to smell good to people around me, and this one is mass appealing. But final score, first impressions, it might go down in the future or it might go up, an 8 out of 10 for Ysl Myslf L'Absolu. And I got another package here, but it's not brand new, so don't get excited. This is from the TikTok shop. I had to get another bottle of Rasasi Hawas Tropical, not because I like it. I swear I was not gonna get a second bottle, but you guys, bro, look at this. Look at this. You guys sampled my whole bottle to bottle run out, and I don't want to, you know, have someone order and then I'm out of juice. So I had to get a second bottle because you guys love the Rasasi Hawas Discovery Set. And I included this in this video because, bro, like, I'm so pissed off at Jomo Shop right now. I made a Jomo Shop order last week. I forgot what day it was. It was like Tuesday, Wednesday, somewhere around there, the early days of the week. I think it was Monday actually, because that same day I placed an order on O Factory LLC and they arrived. I got a bunch of niche fragrances, as you can see. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. It arrived. It's pretty close to me. It's in Indiana. And then I made a TikTok order, I think Wednesday or Thursday, and it came yesterday, so pretty fast. Bro, tell me what, Jomo Shop shipped out 1 cologne, and then like 2 days later they shipped out 2 more colognes, and one of them still hasn't shipped. I haven't even received the ones that have shipped. They just created the label, and the one they haven't shipped is Mango Eyes, which I ran out, and someone made an order before I could, you know, make it out of stock, and now unfortunately I failed them. But thank you to you guys. You guys are so cool. He was cool with it. He said I can upgrade to Joe Milano Roll It 1, which smells exactly the same. It is a little bit more expensive though, but I'm gonna give it to him for the same price for letting him down. But bro, at this point, my Mango Eye should be here already. Jomo Shop drags so much. Like, I love Jomo Shop. They got the best prices sometimes, but their shipping time absolutely sucks. You guys gotta pick up your game. I do got an affiliate link for them, and I don't care. I'm gonna say the honest truth. If one of the Jomo Shop workers is watching this, I'm sorry, bro. You guys gotta step up your shipping time. But yeah, man, that was my package and my little rant for Tropical and Jomo Shop. And yeah, man, I'm just so excited to have this on my hands. It is going to be available on my sampling website, smellbettersamples.com. It is going to be expensive though, because I paid a lot of money for this, so I got to make my money back. But thank you guys for supporting me. I've been getting a lot of orders from you guys, and that means a lot. Like, when I started my sampling website, I was losing money. I was losing money because the Shopify subscription is $40. Maybe if I was lucky, I would get 2 orders a month and lose money, and I would get an order and I'd be so happy, so excited, like, yo, I made money online, like I'm an entrepreneur. And now I'm getting like 4 or 5 orders a day if it's a good day, and I'm like, damn, bro, like thank you guys. That means a lot to me. And it's not even because I'm making money online. It's more because you guys like my reviews. You trust me to sell you samples instead of going to the big suppliers like Micro Perfumes or like Scentbox or Scentbird, and you guys trust me and you want to buy from me. That means a lot, you know. And you guys are funding the channel. You really are, bro. Like, thanks to you guys, I was able to get this and speed review this one before a lot of people could. Without you guys supporting, I would not be spending $200+ on smelly water. This was all thanks to you guys, and now you guys can sample it for a cheaper price before you commit to a full bottle. So it's a revolving circle. Hopefully you guys feel like I'm playing my end of the deal and giving you guys value, content, good quality, good prices on the samples. So hopefully, because I really do mean it a lot when I say thank you very much. It's been my dream to be a YouTuber since I was little. I've been doing YouTube for 7 years, and I think I finally found my niche or my type of content in perfumery and cologne. So I'm so grateful for it, because I do love my hobby. And if I can turn my hobby into money to feed my family, then that's a win-win. We're on the road to 5K, and hopefully I can hit 10K by the end of the year. Thank you guys for watching. you know, since I just gave a little crunchy, cheesy speech, and you guys watched it through the end, if you watched to the end and you want to sample YSL myself or any other cologne, I'm gonna give you guys a special 10% discount. Use code YSL before checking out for 10% for only a week only. So if you watched it till the end and you want to save 10% on samples, use code YSL for 10% off. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.